this situation now, we don't have any other thing. You can just search her bag.
Babe, can you hear her?
Babe, I'm very sure.
Are you okay?
Like, I'm very sure I came out with the money.
Are you tagging me a thief?
Since he came out with the money, let him search your bag. That's all.
I can't believe you are saying this. Babe, please enter inside the house and take your money.
No need. Give her your bag now. Let him search.
You know, babe.
The bag. Yes.
You know what? It's not like I'm doubting you or anything.
No, babe. No, don't do that. Are you trying to say that? Are you trying to tag me a thief?
You go now.
I came out with the money.
Give him your bag. Let him search so that we'll go. Yes.
Shut up.
Babe, for the avoidance of doubt, maybe I gave it to you. I don't know.
Yes, you mistakenly gave it to her and she put it inside her
You
bag.
gave it to me. Babe, are you trying to... You don't trust me?
No, I trust you. But
then what?